Hey everyone, Trevor Haug. I'm the owner and accountant at Passageway Financial. It's my wife, Anna. If you're looking at the pricing, just wanted to explain how that all works for you.
Yeah, so the way we do pricing here at Passageway is we help small businesses. So we're going to do your bookkeeping, we're going to do your taxes, we're going to provide proactive tax reduction planning throughout the year. We're going to help pay in your taxes so you don't have a big tax bomb that goes off. And essentially what we do is we scale this for every small business. Now, if you were to really compare what we're going to do, it's going to be all of the different bookkeeping services that are out there. We're going to do your business tax return for you. We're going to do your personal tax return for you. We're going to help you set up and adjust your payroll system to make sure that it's optimized for your business. We're going to take that pain away. And the biggest thing is number one, we're going to put money back in your pocket. Okay. So when you're looking at our pricing, you got to view us more as like an outsourced accountant or almost like you're subcontracting. Think of your business as more of a general contractor. And by subcontracting to us, we're an alternative to a staff person, because the thing that we replace nonstop is what we call Patty part-timer. Most construction businesses, small businesses, whatever they are, there's usually somebody behind the scenes reconciling all the books, helping with AR, helping with AP, screwing around in the payroll. You don't have to hire that. And if you do the math on that, if you save even 8 hours a week of hiring somebody, let's just say you got to pay them $30 an hour, which right now McDonald's is paying $25 an hour. So when you hire a Patty part-timer, that it might be a part-time dad or mom or somebody that wants to come in, they're going to be expensive. And then you got to manage them, and they probably don't have the caliber of expertise that we have. So when you're looking at this, we're going to put money back in your pocket. We're going to make sure that your stuff is done for you. You won't have to hire somebody, and it's going to get done by a CPA and a high-end professional. I guess you'd call yourself a bookkeeper at this point. You're helping with it, but primarily we got Trevor doing it. So the way we do this is we just look at the size and scale of your business. So generally speaking, you're going to want to be making north of about $100,000 or $80,000 in net profits. We help a lot of larger businesses that have multiple entities. We love working with high growth small businesses. So when you look at this, it's kind of small, medium, and large. And that's just to cast a broad net when we look at how many transactions you have, how many accounts you have. You know, when you hire people, we're going to help you with that too. So when you add somebody, all of that W-9 paperwork, all those headaches, a lot of times you just go, you know, I'm just going to get you connected with Anna and Trevor, and they're going to make my life easy. So when you're looking at this, usually for, you know, anywhere between $500 a month and $3,500 a month, you're going to get the value of a full-time employee. Plus, we'll probably save you more in taxes than what you're going to pay us. Genuinely speaking, not always, but not only that, but we're going to help you build a more scalable business. And one of the ways to be scalable is to be nimble. So I'm making the case here why people should choose us, because I feel very deeply that we're one of the best values out there. But when you look at our pricing, you know, whether it's you end up at $500 a month, $750, $1,500, $3,500 a month, it's really meant for the size of that business. So just start with a consultation, book with us. We'll dive into your taxes and just try and find opportunities to save. Like, we take it as a challenge to want to find something to bring to the table, so you want to work with us. Because we know if we add more value, you're going to want to work. And the bar is kind of low for most, right? Most tax and accounting firms, the bar is fairly low. Not only will we look at your taxes to determine like how much value we can add, but we're also going to look at your books so that we can identify like how complex your operation is. How many transactions do you have going on? How many accounts do you have? Some businesses are quite simple, and some you're buying, you know, we always talk about, we specialize in contractors. So if you've got all sorts of materials and machinery and you have a lot of inventory, Trevor's ears perk up whenever he hears that, because the geekier we can get, the more complex we get, the more value we get to add. So when you're looking at pricing, just know we build it for you. We'll take good care of you, and this will probably be the best money. Just look at our reviews. Everybody that works with us is super excited. We just make their life easy. So book a consultation. Just you can push the buttons on the website or go to our website, and we'll take good care of you. Book a consultation, and again, we'll send over a secure portal. Take a look at the taxes. We'll look at your accounting, find out what kind of situation you have, and we'll build a scope that's appropriate for you. So appreciate it, guys.